CNC Wirecut EDM. Wirecut. Wire electrical discharge machining, WEDM, uses a metallic wire to cut or shape a workpiece, often a conductive material, with a thin electrode wire that follows a precisely programmed path. How Wirecut EDM works. EDM cutting is always through the entire workpiece. To start wire machining, it is first necessary to drill a hole in the workpiece or start from the edge. There is never any mechanical contact between the electrode and workpiece. The wire is usually made of brass or stratified copper and is between 0.1 and 0.3 mm diameter. How does a wire cutting machine cut? The wire cutting machine works by sending a current between the wire and the workpiece, causing millions of sparks to fly. Therefore, this sparking generates heat, about 15,000 degrees Fahrenheit, enough to melt away microscopic bits of the workpiece, creating fine cuts and intricate shapes. How many axes does a wire cut machine have? CNC unit moves the machine in an XY plane. It can position the upper guide independently in the UV axis. Repositioning all four axes X, Y, U, V allows the wire cut machine to cut tapers or shapes that transition from top to bottom. Components in a wire cutting machine. CNC unit power supply, automatic wire threading, dielectric fluid tank, chiller filtration system for dielectric fluid. Workpiece thickness. Wire EDMs can cut parts up to 24 inches thick. Cutting hard materials. Tungsten carbide, hardened tools, steel, aluminium, brass, titanium, difficult to machine materials. High accuracy. A wire EDM can hold tolerances of +/0.0001. Superior surface finish. Wire EDMs can achieve a surface finish as fine as 4 32 micro-inches. Not heat distortion. Wire EDM cutting takes place in a bath of deionized water, which cools the workpiece and tool. Burr-free cutting. Lose much less material when using the wire EDM versus conventional cutting methods. For detail, please visit my YouTube channel and please subscribe. For detail, please visit my YouTube channel and please subscribe.